Yeah, it's really packaged.
Sorry. Oh, still didn't get it right.
All right, I got it.
Hey guys, if you're new here, I'm Kristen.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're Adventures in Weberland. And today we have a really cool video to share with you.
Oh yeah.
We're really big supporters of small shops, especially Disney small shops. We love the way that people think of the most creative things. They're so unique. Right. Things we could wear in the park, and also things that you can't find at Disney World.
Mm-hmm. Makes you feel exclusive.
Yeah, so we have some packages that we're gonna open and we're gonna share with you.
Let's go.
So the first thing we're gonna show you, I am actually wearing. I've worn this before in another video. I'm literally obsessed with this sweatshirt.
Oh, yeah.
It's from Club 55. I'm gonna get up and show you.
Yeah, you get a lot of looks in the park from it, asking where you got it and everything.
Yeah,
so.
and there's the sleeve. It has a little MK.
Nice.
So it says the most magical place on earth, Magic Kingdom. And actually, Club 55 is more of a Disneyland small shop, but they do have Disney World stuff. They actually have some really cool Haunted Mansion sweatpants that they just came out with. Kind of obsessed. I might buy them. Totally cool. Please go check them out. The next package we have is from 100 Acre Hood. What up, Chad?
Oh, yeah.
They teamed up with American Dance Party to make face masks. So the ones we ordered was Hercules themed.
Yeah.
And then the other one we ordered is Mickey and Friends. So we have no idea, Mickey and Friends, if it's Mickey, if it's Goofy.
Yeah.
Nobody knows. We're gonna open it right now.
I hope it's Goofy.
Here we go, ready?
Let's see it.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay, so here's the Hercules mask.
That's nice.
Super
Yeah.
cool. You gotta stretch it out a little bit so you can see him. And actually, what's really cool is they made a pocket so you can put a filter inside of it when you're wearing it in the park. This is really cool. I love that.
It looks comfortable too.
All right, so let's see the Mickey and Friends one.
All right. Whoa.
Oh my God, it's like he knew. You guys, you don't even understand what's happening right now.
Wow.
Oh, it's Donnie. Look how cute he is. I am like so excited to use these now. Cool, so here you can have Hercules and I will have Donnie.
I wish it was Goofy.
I'm sorry. These are really cool. Thank you, Chad.
Awesome. All right, next up. What's in the box?
I know.
You do?
Well, I ordered it.
Oh, it's from Walter and Rosie Candle Co. So I'm guessing a candle.
Gee, I wonder.
Ooh.
Which one did we get?
There's a lot of the astronaut
That's fine.
ice
Ready?
cream.
Whee!
Ooh.
A candle, Ryan. You get it.
Yeah, it's really packaged.
Sorry. Oh, still didn't get it right.
All right, I got it. Foolish Mortal.
So excited. Does it smell like Haunted Mansion?
Oh, yes, it does.
Does it really? oh my God, this smells so good.
Yeah, that's good.
Totally lighting that
Yeah,
tonight.
you can go to walterandrosiecandleco.com for the happiest scents on earth.
They also have different things. Like, I know they sell air fresheners. They also have a laundry detergent.
Wow.
Hello. So cool. Best candles. Before I even introduce this shop, can we just appreciate the flamingo packaging?
Oh, yeah.
And their little sticker on the back, too. So this is from Two Pineapples Co. And I know what these are. I'm going to open them. I'm not even going to tell you yet. Hold on.
Oh, yes.
So I did buy two of these, one for me and one for you, and I know I didn't show you these yet.
I love it.
So these are little pins to put on your magic bands. So I have a little Mickey pass holder one, and yours?
Figment.
It's little Figment. I'm so excited to put these on our magic bands.
Oh, yeah.
So cute. Okay, so I couldn't wait to open this next one to the point where I even took it out. I wore it to work. I just couldn't wait. So you don't even have to be a Star Wars fan to enjoy what I'm about to show you. Check this out. It's the child in a teacup wearing Mickey ears and holding a Mickey balloon. Tell me this isn't the cutest thing that you have ever seen. So this is from State of Sunshine. And I mean, they are so creative. They have t-shirts. The hat also comes in blue. I loves the pink one. I'm literally obsessed with this. And they have stickers too. You can purchase a big sticker.
I actually have the stickers right here, and it is a mashup of my two favorite things, which is The Office and Disney.
World's Best Boss,
World's
Michael
Best
Scott.
Boss. And we got Prison Mike.
Prison Mike. Mike Wazowski dressed up as Michael Scott as Prison Mike.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, genius.
If you've seen both, it's pretty awesome. So you got to go check out this website and see what else they got there.
I have a surprise for you.
You do?
I do. I might have went behind your back without you knowing.
What?
And got you something.
Oh.
So this is from Magnetic Flux.
Okay.
Here, you just can open it
Oh.
and see what it is.
What's inside? It feels weird. Is it a snake? What is it? Is it a letter?
Sure.
I don't want to ruin anything.
When Ryan opens gifts, Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, it takes forever.
Whoa! What is this? Whoa! Is it a magnet?
It's a magnet. It says Bat to the future. Like Bat 2, Galaxy's Edge, Bat 2.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And then DHS right in the bottom, which Disney's Hollywood Studios.
That's awesome.
Ryan is a ginormous fan of Back to the Future. Like, I'm pretty sure you can recite all 3 movies. Blah, like that. Like, no joke.
And it's like the shape of a train, too. It's really cool. All right.
Okay. Last one.
Last one, okay.
I am overly excited to open this package.
Wow.
Okay, so these were a pre-order, and I'm just gonna open it. Dream It, Do It Design.
Nice.
You guys, oh my goodness. Look, a thank you card.
Wow.
Look
Wow.
how you are so sweet.
Read what it says.
It says, thank you so much for your purchase. Your support of my small shop means a lot to me. Lauren, you're so cute.
It has your name
You guys,
and everything.
It's packaged in a bag.
Wow.
Like, I've never gotten ears. Spoiler alert, they're ears. But I've never gotten ears. I mean, how nice is this?
Yeah, you can keep them in there when you're
This
not
is
using
amazing. Okay, are you guys ready? I don't think you're ready for
them.
this.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look.
Ooh.
Yeah. This is happening.
I saw the purple.
This is happening. You guys, are you ready?
Whoa.
How cute. If you haven't figured it out yet, it's Figment. Purple, yellow, orange. The best part of these ears, wait for it, they light up. And not only do they light up, they have Figment in the ears.
Wow.
I can't. I literally can't right now.
Awesome.
These are so amazing and so well done. These ears are so comfortable. I usually get a really bad headache from the ears that I buy at Disney World, like the Disney owned ears, which is why I normally get my ears from small shops. These are so comfortable. It has a thick band.
Wow.
I can't get over the work you put into them, Lauren. These, you guys, these are amazing. Please go check her out. I can't say anything else.
They work better. They work really good at night too, with the lights up and everything. And
they're so cute.
we're gonna have to take a picture with Figment and the ears, I think.
I'm so down for that. If you guys know of other small shops that we haven't mentioned, maybe we don't know about, please let us know. Comment below, send us a message. We really, really want to support everyone. So please.
Yeah, and if you bought something from a small shop, send us a picture, Instagram, Facebook, or even just comment below what you got and where you got it from, and we would love to check it out. If you haven't already, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Adventures in Weberland.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a big thumbs up if you like what you see. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time we post a new video.
And we'll see you on the next Adventures in Weberland.